Hello designer, welcome back to Design Coach. Today we are learning how to design a wireframe in Figma. In the last design, we created a blog section. Now in this part, we are creating the call to action and the footer in our wireframe. So let's start with this sketch wireframe. For this we need one title and the button. So I use the same frame, this one, for our CTA. For the CTA, I just remove. I don't need this tags. Let's remove it. So I just okay. In between, I need auto space. For this, I need to be full page section. So I just go to here and give the space between top bottom 196. Okay, and add the color for the background. Okay, extending this. Okay, in this I need this both into new container. So this one is our section area, this one is our section area, and then this one is our container area. Now I open the grid and give padding according to this 120. Now I just select this and fill container. I see there is a lot of space and now I need to remove this. Okay, 56. Okay, the work in the 57, 58, 59. Okay, 60 is the left right padding will work in our grid area. Now I use this CTA space between center and I just open the grid between 3-column grid. Button need to be a center. In this we can just add our text requirement like contact us. We can add it and we make it larger button. So I just add this padding into this 32 and 24 and font size will be increased 24 and I just select this button and make it little bit dark to clarity of button. So here is our section. We can add later on the content here to explain about the CTA. Now we are creating our last part in UI, that is footer. In this footer we have a 4 sections like one logo area, links and subscription buttons like something. So I just open the grid, go to the design agency, we have a name. I just copy this and paste it here. Okay, you can understand this like our logo in wireframe. After this we need add to some content. Again I duplicate this and adding the content in 3-column. Here is a short description about the company. I don't need space everywhere. I just removing padding from frame. Here is the logo. Here is short description. Now we need a 4-column for the links. In this part we are creating links for the footer and content. So we have just add the one title here. In this we can use useful links and I just give the space 20 into 1.5. Okay, here is the title for the footer. Okay, now I am adding the link. For the link we are using the same text and I am just adding the dummy links for about us. I just use this and convert it into auto layout, so it will be giving me space to balance between space. About us, after that I just add contact us. Again I just use command D to duplicate it. Contact us, now our team, and also we can add career. This 4 links enough to be understand. Just I select this and convert into auto layout. In between we have a 6 pixel space, we can just convert in 8 pixel space. I just select these both and convert this into again auto layout. In between we need a 24, it's a too much space, we just add the 20 pixel space. Okay, after this we can just use duplicate it to useful links. For our other purpose we can add just like services. I just use it and give the name UI design, UX design. In this we have a central element. I think I need to check it. This left, this will be left, and this will be left. Okay, UX design, wireframe, and development. These 4 links used for the link. After the last section will be subscription section. So I just go duplicate this. In this we can just create. Okay, subscribe now. Subscribe section. I just ungroup this auto layout and removing this. Okay. In this, after this we need input and button. So I just take the example of this button and go to the footer and paste it here. Okay. After pasting it here, we just duplicate this. In the input type, we use the same height of button and inputs. In this, we just left align it, email, and I just try to create, just creating the input style. For now, I just use the same color in the input and FFF for the input. And I'm just duplicate, add this into button here, and okay, here is the submit button. Okay, and I just add the short description line between input and button, one line button description. Okay, this one. Okay, so here is our subscription design, and I need to be create equal space between all, so I just use this kind of auto layout. I just use this auto layout, convert into auto layout, and both into auto layout. Between we need to add 24 pixel space. I use 3 column here. I just use the 4 column here. Okay, this and this. Convert into auto layout, and I just give the one offset for the designs of this main section. So here is the one offset for design, and here is the footer design. In the center we need in the top. So if you see, there is a one section, just add to this fill container. Okay, in between if you find this design of footer, I just hide the grid, and you can see the footer will be near to finishing. After this footer, we need just add to social media icons. If you find it here, here is the social media icons. I just go to the website and get Bootstrap. I am using for now the Bootstrap icons. go to the bootstrap and just Facebook. So we just copy this svg file and paste it in this logo section. Facebook. Now we need a Twitter. It's called now X now, Twitter X. Again I just go here and paste it and back. We use LinkedIn, copy svg from here and just go and paste it here and back. And Instagram, copy, go to here and paste it. Now this icon need to align. I select all this and convert into auto layout, and I need it to horizontal layout. Select into horizontal layout. So like the social media icon will be also added to footer. Okay. So these are complete wireframe designing for our layout. In the next part we will cover how to modify this wireframe and make it more attractive looking in design. Thanks for watching my video. To watch my video. If you like my video, then hit the like button and share, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.